What's up, weirdos? Just want to give you guys an update on the seed starting. It is that time of year again, and as you can see, I've been kind of busy getting everything started. I got a lot of plants here, more than I think I ever have. We got lots of peppers in here. We got some onions in there. I got marigolds and some more onions coming up over here. I've got all kinds of different herbs, lemon balm and nasturtiums, strawberries, wild strawberries. I have some of them coming up. These ones aren't doing so hot. I don't know if they're going to come up or not. And then I got the red currants. They have not come up yet. Yeah, they have not come up. The ones that I planted a month ago, nothing yet. And of course, we have the seeds that we've been stratifying in the fridge. I need to check on them and see if we can plant those. So that's a project at some point this week. But yeah, tomatoes right here. I got cherry tomatoes, and I got some. I guess they're just slicing tomatoes, but they're pretty good uniform tomatoes. So I'm gonna grow those ones. I think which ones are they? I think they're the Pro and Sprayless. Yeah, and they don't get any blight, so they're really nice. I also have some other stuff here. We got some huckleberries that we're gonna try growing. As well as chives, which have not come up, and then I have some more marigolds over there, or I think that's marshmallow. Yeah, that's marshmallow over there. And then again, more stuff up here, thyme and yarrow, and St. John's wort as well. Over here is some bee balm. It hasn't come up yet. It looks like there's one or two coming up. And then lovage and hollyhocks as well, which are great in the food forest, so we'll be using that as a permaculturist. And I also got some more peppers started and some cabbage started, as well as a few other herbs. So we're looking pretty good on the seed starting. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on how things are going. My first shipment of trees is coming in within the next 48 hours. So I've got to get up to the garden and do some digging, get some holes dug, so that we can just plant the trees as soon as possible. So that is on the to-do list today, so I got to get up and get going on that. So I think we'll leave the video there, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.